and welcome back to a brand new video on my channel. So today's video I'm pretty excited for. I'm going to be making Terry's chocolate orange fudge. I saw this recipe on Facebook. I don't actually know who posted it because I lost the video after I wrote down the recipe. But if you guys know, tag them in the comments. But yeah, here is all the ingredients. I've got my chocolate oranges. These are only £1 in Home Bargains, so we love that. Condensed milk. Had to go to like 4 shops to find this, so you know, I'm committed. Then we have got some unsalted butter and some crunchies for the top. I've got my pan ready and I've got my wooden spoon ready. So the first thing that I need to do is melt my chocolate oranges. So I'm actually gonna open them and like smash them up a bit because, you know, the chocolate oranges need smashing up. And here is beautiful little Stella. Hello. Hello. Okay, so I'm actually gonna take out my chocolate oranges and I'm gonna, oh, I need to like crack them. Are they already cracked? I think they come already cracked, to be fair. So, you know what, we're just gonna open all the chocolate oranges and then whack them in the pan. I'm gonna put my chocolate oranges. Every time you open a chocolate orange, it smells so good. I'm gonna put my chocolate oranges into the pan. 3 chocolate oranges seems quite a lot, but yeah, that's what we need. I'm actually so excited. I hope this turns out nicely. If not, this video is going to be titled trying to make Terry's chocolate orange fudge fail. They're all going into the pan. Should I have a bit? No, I'm gonna eat a bit. Okay, so that is a lot of chocolate orange in there and it smells insane. Now I need to add in the can of condensed milk. Okay, so this is the can opener I'm gonna use. I don't know what it is, yeah, but I just find it really difficult to actually use a can opener. Please don't ask me why. Like, look, like, why doesn't it move? Why is it not doing anything? My mum's tried to show me about 30,000 times how you actually use it. Oh, I think it's working. Ugh, it's all spilling out the top though. That is not nice. Okay, that is dripping out. Drip, 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 drip. Up next is some vanilla extract. We need 1 teaspoon of this. I've got these really cute little measuring things. So we're putting a teaspoon of that in there. We need 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter. And then it's got to heat until it's all melted. Let's get in that 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter. Oh, this is gonna work. I think I need a bit more. I think that looks nice to me. It's going in. So that is my lovely little mixture in there. I'm now actually going to turn on the hob. I'm going to heat it on a low heat, like, because I don't want to burn it. So I'm literally going to do it on such a low heat and I'm just going to let it like melt itself. It's literally starting to melt already. So yeah, let me show you. You can see like it's melting already, but I don't want to burn it. So I'm, oh no, look at that. Why is he all stuck together? Oh, I didn't smash this one up very well. It'll melt anyway. But yeah, it's all starting to melt already. So it's now all melted and I've lined my tin. Beautiful, very, very beautiful. So I'm actually gonna pour it all in now. It looks and smells insane. So I'm gonna pour it in. I don't know if this is gonna fill like more than 1 tray, to be honest. So I'm gonna kind of like do that. I don't want it to be like too thick that it's not gonna set. You know, I'm gonna add a little bit more in and I think I'm gonna put the rest in another tray. So we actually got a round tray batch and a square tray batch. So now on the top it's crunchy, so I'm going to like smack up a crunchy. And here it is. I'm gonna sprinkle that on the top. So here it is. I'm now gonna put it in the fridge, but I think I'm gonna cover it over with cling film first so it doesn't get that like nasty fridge taste. So that was really quick and easy to make, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed it, but I'm gonna come back and show you the results of it anyway tomorrow. I think I'm gonna leave it in the fridge overnight just so it sets. So here is the final fudge. As you can see, I've already chopped some out and my family's tried some and I've tried some. It honestly tastes amazing. I hope that you enjoyed this video. It was literally so quick and easy to make, and like it was a fun little vlog. Yeah, but it was really quick and easy to make. I suggest that you make it because literally it tastes insane. But yeah, please remember to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next video.